upstairs right now. They're at the LPS. And I'm watching Peppa Pig right now, the swimming episode. And it's very good. So I'm in the V-berth or front bedroom of the boat. And I have this bag, which I always use for boating. And it has like art on it from school. That was really fun. And the art you can make into like bags or like water bottles and get it for like Christmas presents for your family. And that was really fun. So that's how like my art is on that bag. But I'm going to unpack my clothes and put them into this cabinet, which is labeled Alexa. And there's me recording. If you're wondering what this strap is, it's for like, I can put it on as a necklace. It's for if you're walking on the dock and you have your phone and you don't want it to fall. So that was a very smart invention. And then there's also this cabinet, but it says guest, like how mine says Alexa, this one says guest. For if a guest comes, I made like a sign that says guest so they could put their stuff in there. But now I'm going to unpack. So there's everything. And I also added some stuff on the bottom, like I usually do. Brush, glasses. And here are my sweatshirts. I kind of overpacked, but we're staying for 4 days. And there's also a pool, so that's why I brought my bathing suits. But I usually overpack and then forget 1 or 2 things that are important. What are you, an overpacker or an underpacker? So it's the next day, and I went to the pool and I got my sunglasses because my eyes were hurting. Now I'm going back there, and there's like some type of concert going on. So that's the noise.